Hi there. Welcome to this video on PMP exam preparation. If you're interested in obtaining the Project Management Professional Certification, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know to successfully prepare for the PMP exam. The PMP Certification is a globally recognized certification for project management professionals. The exam is designed to assess your understanding of project management best practices and the application of these practices in real-world scenarios. The PMP exam consists of 200 multiple-choice questions and must be completed within 4 hours. Before you start preparing for the PMP exam, it's essential to have a clear understanding of the exam content outline. The PMP exam content is based on the PMBOK Guide, Project Management Body of Knowledge, which provides a standard framework for managing projects. The exam content outline is divided into 5 process groups. 1. Initiation. 2. Planning. 3. Executing. 4. Monitoring and controlling. 5. Closing. Each process group includes a set of processes and knowledge areas that you'll need to understand to pass the PMP exam. Make sure to familiarize yourself with the latest version of PMBOK Guide and the exam content outline to ensure that you're focusing your study efforts on the right areas. Now that you understand the exam content, it's time to start preparing for the PMP exam. There are many different study techniques and resources available, so you'll need to determine what works best for you. Some popular study techniques include 1. PMP exam prep courses. 2. PMP study groups. 3. PMP study guides and flashcards. 4. PMP practice exams. Host. In addition to these study techniques, there are also many online resources available to help you prepare for the PMP exam. Some popular online resources include 1. PMP exam prep websites. 2. PMP exam forums. 3. PMP exam blogs. 4. PMP exam podcasts. Make sure to utilize a variety of study techniques and resources to ensure that you're adequately prepared for the PMP exam. Here are some final tips to help you prepare for the PMP exam. 1. Set a study schedule and stick to it. 1. Consistency is key when it comes to preparing for the PMP exam. 2. Make sure to practice applying the concepts you've learned to real-world scenarios. 3. Take regular PMP practice exams to assess your progress and identify areas where you need to focus your study efforts. 4. Make sure to take care of yourself by getting enough sleep, exercise, and eating well. And that's it. With these tips and resources, you'll be well on your way to successfully preparing for the PMP exam. Good luck, and we'll see you in the next video. If you found this content useful, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more PM tips.